Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nail fungus treatments that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Kleckney Nail Fungus Laser Treatment LED Light Device. This innovative product takes a high-tech approach to tackling nail fungus by using a combination of 910 nanometers infrared light and 407 nanometers blue light. The device heats the nail plate to a temperature range of 43 to 51 degrees Celsius, which is designed to cause thermal damage to the fungus, helping restore nail health. In terms of design, the device is compact and portable, making it easy to use at home or on the go. It's especially beneficial for individuals who cannot take oral medications, such as children, the elderly, or those with liver or kidney conditions. The process requires commitment, with recommended usage of 7 minutes per session, twice a day, for 3 months for noticeable results. However, the lack of immediate effects might be frustrating for users looking for faster results. The Kleckney laser device is a great option for those who prefer a drug-free, non-invasive treatment. It's also FSA and HSA eligible, which is a significant bonus for reducing out-of-pocket costs. On the downside, the treatment is time-intensive and requires patience, as full toenail regrowth can take up to 12 to 18 months. This product is ideal for individuals who are dedicated to a long-term solution and prefer an alternative to topical treatments. Coming in at number 4 is the Neomen Nail Fungus Treatment Pen. This product offers a convenient, no-mess solution for addressing both toenail and fingernail fungus. It's formulated with natural ingredients designed to penetrate the nail and surrounding skin, reducing infections and alleviating symptoms such as itching and burning. The pen applicator makes it incredibly easy to target the affected areas with precision. The design is sleek and straightforward, with a brush tip that ensures even application. Each pen is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for on-the-go use. The formula is gentle, making this a safe choice for individuals with sensitive skin or those new to fungal treatments. However, it's worth noting that this treatment works best with consistent use over several weeks, and results may vary depending on the severity of the infection. In terms of value, the Neomen Nail Fungus Treatment Pen is a solid choice for individuals looking for an easy-to-use and travel-friendly option. While it may lack the intensive strength of other treatments on this list, it's a fantastic choice for mild to moderate cases. However, keep in mind that the product's price is unavailable, which could be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. At number 3, we have the Fungus Killer 1/4 ounce bottle boxed 3-pack with free nail file. This product is a traditional liquid treatment that comes with the added convenience of a free nail file, ensuring users can prep their nails for optimal absorption. Each bottle contains 1/4 ounce of gel formula, making it suitable for extended use across multiple toes or fingers. The packaging is simple and functional, with easy-to-use bottles that dispense the gel efficiently. The formula is designed to penetrate the nail and tackle fungus at its source. While the product is effective, it's worth mentioning that it requires consistent application to achieve visible results, and some users may find the gel application process slightly messy compared to patches or pens. This product is ideal for those looking for a cost-effective solution for mild to moderate nail fungus. The inclusion of a nail file is a nice touch, as it helps users prepare their nails for better treatment penetration. However, the lack of detailed features and specification makes it harder to gauge its unique strengths compared to other options on this list. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Granado Toenail Fungus Treatment Extra Strength Patches. This product stands out for its extra-strength formula, which penetrates deeply into the nail bed to address discoloration, thickening, and yellowing. The breathable, medical-grade, non-woven fabric ensures a gentle yet effective application, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Each pack includes 32 patches, which are individually sealed for convenience and hygiene. The patches are discreet and easy to use, staying secure for 6 to 8 hours overnight. This makes them perfect for busy individuals who prefer a hands-free, no-mess solution. The travel-friendly design adds to its appeal, allowing users to maintain their treatment routine even while on the go. Vernato's nail patches are an excellent choice for those seeking a long-term solution with consistent use. However, as with many treatments, results take time, typically requiring 3 to 6 months for noticeable improvements. While the price is unavailable, its premium features make it a strong contender for those looking for an effective and user-friendly product. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Kerasal Nighttime Renewal Fungal Nail Patches. These patches are designed to improve the appearance of fungus-damaged nails while you sleep, making them one of the most convenient and effective options on the market. Kerasal is a well-known brand recommended by doctors, which adds credibility to its claims. The patches are hygienic, easy to apply, and offer continuous treatment for 6 to 8 hours overnight. They work by deeply penetrating the nail plate to reduce discoloration, normalize thickness, and exfoliate the nail. This makes them especially effective for restoring a healthy nail appearance. With consistent use for 3 to 6 months, users can expect significant improvements in nail clarity and strength. At $18.89, Kerasal offers excellent value for its premium features. The patches are ideal for individuals seeking a low-maintenance, overnight solution that fits seamlessly into their routine. The only drawback is the limited number of patches per pack, 14, which may require frequent repurchasing for extended treatment. Overall, Kerasal shines as the best option for those serious about tackling nail fungus effectively and conveniently. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.